Hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Now I'm here in Labangan, Lanao del Sur. Labangan, Zamboanga. Zamboanga del Sur. Di ka dito rin lower campus. We are preparing for the celebration, baptism or akika of my granddaughter, the twin granddaughter girls. So now we are packing the special dessert of Muslim like doodle. This is doodle. I don't know what is in this is doodle. This is the special dessert of Muslim here in the Philippines. Doodle. If you want to order doodle, so those are the expert making doodles. Pag hi mo, mga the other one busy in using cell phone. Ma'am, sige, hi ka. Ubang ka ba signal yung mga kuha na. Una na ucari. Kuha na. Pag-ucada niyan din.